Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Bean Review. And I'm joined here by my husband Rick.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Where have you been?
Losing my mind. It's been quite a break actually in filming because we had to move residences, and packing is always fun.
Indeed.
And going through stuff and going garbage, recycle, thrift store.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got that done. We're in our place. New digs, new studio, which I'm excited about, and I know you're super excited about because our studio is no longer
our dining room. Or was the dining room.
Yeah.
And is now the studio.
An actual studio room, which is great.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
It's so yeah, I mean before it was pretty chaotic.
Yes.
Lights, camera, action everywhere you went. So we have a fun review to do here today. I'm pretty excited about this.
Yes.
We've got Barking Irons Roastery. So generously sent us some of their coffees for us to review. And they're a local company here in Surrey, BC. And we're going to do some tweaks to things. We're going to try little experimentations, which we usually don't really do a whole lot of, other than those ones where she tried to poison me before. But
and obviously I was unsuccessful.
Thank God. But we're going to try a few different things. So before we get into the different flavorings and stuff, tell us about this coffee. Now this is a medium roast, I believe is what we selected here. Let's take a look.
Yeah, do you know the name of the company?
Barking Irons.
Okay.
Yeah, I said so.
Okay. You
Don't
didn't
even-
seem to know before.
No, I just, too many things going through my head.
Okay.
So Barking Irons, and it's ranch hand. I like the Western theme to it. I should actually put on my cowboy hat. So.
You weren't thinking.
You didn't even ask me about this today. This is a
Well, we have ice cream melting and stuff, and then I thought, well, maybe we'll do that later.
Iron Maiden.
Okay, you have an Iron Maiden t-shirt. Tell me about the Iron Maiden t-shirt, honey.
It's just really cool. It's all the different Dead Eddies from all their different album covers.
Who's Dead Eddie?
Their mascot. Ed the Head.
Ooh, cool.
Anyways, so it's a new shirt. I'm pretty excited about
Yeah,
it.
you like
it.
your shirts.
I do. It's my vice.
So that's what, number 198?
All I know is that it was a lot of work packing the t-shirts when we were moving.
Oh yeah.
Right, we spent quite some time folding them all and putting them away. Okay, so let's do the pour over first. Okay?
Sounds good.
So I'm going to let you have first sampling of it.
Wow. Thanks.
You're welcome. Let me pass it over.
Nice medium roast.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good, just a regular straight up cup of coffee there. That's nice. I like that. Not heavy on the bittering.
Nope. It's balanced.
Yeah, it's got some really good flavoring with that. That's nice. Wow.
I agree.
Yeah, you could actually easily just balance.
Oh, for sure.
Yep.
Nice and easy.
I'm looking at the watch going, yeah, I missed my witching hour. The witching hour for me is sort of like 4 o'clock, 4:30.
When you can have your last coffee.
The last coffee, and it's we're now showing 5:15, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's nice. It has a
right.
slight smoky taste.
Let's jump into the latte.
Okay.
This is something for later. All right, so this is a latte. You've used regular lactose.
Correct.
Okay. And we're gonna just move your hair out of this coffee.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah. I get it after you, right? There we go.
Nice. Milk gives a nice creamy.
Oh, yeah.
Brings out the. I feel it brings out the smokiness a bit more.
It does actually. That's really
quite nice.
Wow, that's really nice. This so ranch hand. That's a good hit there. I like that one.
From Mexico? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mexican beans.
All right. So one thing we haven't tried before is an actual iced coffee. What have you done to this? What's the concoction here?
A bunch of ice. Fill the glass up with ice. I put about a third of milk, and then I did a pour over and just poured it over the ice.
That's good.
Yeah.
Now, I already have a bottle open here. This was told to me by a good buddy of mine, Jody Bessert, down in Seattle, Washington. Goes by the handle Big Red EDC. This is a shout out to you, buddy. Merry Christmas. He told me, you got to try this stuff in your coffee. And I was like, whiskey and coffee? But this isn't just regular whiskey, folks. This is Sheepdog peanut butter whiskey. And so when I heard this, I was like, what are you talking about? But when I cracked the bottle open, now this stuff is like a peanut butter cup and whiskey. Smell that.
It's really nice. I am not a whiskey fan, but I've had that straight up.
She's, hey, can you pour me some whiskey? I'm like, oh, okay. So let's try just a little snoot in there.
Yeah.
Mix it in. The other
I
thing,
was super surprised.
I'm going to try a shot of it in the pour over, because the guys were also saying try this stuff in like your coffee. I'm like, okay.
Oh, that's so good. Honey.
I'm surprised I'm even getting it offered to me here. But
It's real, like, I do not like whiskey. We're not drinkers. Like,
very rare. But
hardly.
yeah.
Hardly. But when you get something like a peanut butter
I don't think I put
syrup.
enough of that in here. Good for what ails you. Hey, it's Christmas time, right?
Yes.
You gotta have the little bit of festive fun. Yeah. If you didn't like straight coffee before, you do now. And after a few sips, it doesn't matter. That's really
Indeed.
good. Let's try this. I'm just gonna try this. Oh yeah.
I like it in the ice better, maybe because it has the milk in it.
Either or. Holy man. All right.
That's really nice.
Really nice, guys. Awesome. Good.
It's really good.
JB, thank you for the idea. And there was other Mick down in Tasmania there was telling us as well to put the whiskey in your coffee. So good on you, boys. All right. So now this is what did you call this again? Affogato?
Affogato, an Italian ice cream dessert.
It's just ice cream and coffee. Two
Espresso.
two ingredients, right?
Espresso. So the best way to do it, get your couple scoops of ice cream and do your espresso and pour it on there hot. Some people like to cool it down or do like instant coffee.
Oh my God.
An instant coffee or iced coffee, but the heat from the espresso makes it nice and creamy and...
It's so freaking good. Wow. Okay,
So this is the plain one.
this is a plain, and then we got this one here, and
this one you have to put the what I'm holding the sheepdog in now.
this one's sheepdog?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that is good.
Oh yeah.
I've never had one of these before.
Here we go. So get yourself a big old bottle of Mighty Meaty Vegemin. I love Lucy. Mighty Meaty Vegemin. There we go. Oh my goodness. She's just like...
It is cold on the teeth though.
Wow. Holy smokers.
I didn't poison you this time with my bright ideas.
Oh wow, that is... You gotta try this. This is like... And what kind of ice cream have we got in here?
It's a French vanilla. Okay, can we try the next one?
Sure.
Okay, so another affogato. But I chopped up a mint candy cane chocolate bar.
All right, rock and roll. This doesn't have a chance. the coffee flavor is so well balanced in with the ice cream.
Because all the cream and sugar. I love that.
So, guys and gals, you want to talk about a super ridiculously easy dessert that your guests at Christmas time, if you're
What
having guests, well, our viewers down south, I think they're still able to have family Christmas. We're not, but heck, you just for yourself. Christmas for one, it doesn't matter. This will make it all better. It is so good. Super easy. I mean, the vanilla ice cream, the coffee, as Paula said, and then in this one, we've got the candy cane candy bar. And then this one here, we got the sheepdog. It's just outstanding. Yes. Barking Irons, you guys make a really great coffee. And you know what I liked about it is how diverse we could use it.
Yes.
Right? It wasn't just, okay, we're going to have a pour over, a latte, right? Like, look what we've done here. Desserts, we've done a nice coffee, latte, pour over, all awesome. And of course, that didn't hurt either. So, awesome. Well, listen, we're back in the swing of things here. Now we got the studio set up. We're going to be back to our weekly videos again.
Yes.
And Paul and I, we wish you guys and gals a very, very Merry Christmas. Make the best of it this year. 2021, hopefully be a much better year for everybody. And we wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous and healthy one at that.
And make it a safe one too. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Ciao,
See you later.
ciao.
Ciao, ciao.